Breaking news coming in, and this is about DK Shivakumar and how trouble is mounting for him in the money laundering case. Now, the special Judge Vikas Dhull has taken cognizance of the Enforcement Directorate's charge sheet that was filed last week, and Shivakumar has been summoned on the next date. A Delhi court has summoned Karnataka Congress leader DK Shivakumar while taking cognizance of the charge sheet filed by ED in the money laundering case. He's been directed to appear before the agency on the 1st of July. Nilashish is joining us with more details. Yes, Nilashish.
Well, yes, absolutely. Trouble mounting for DK Shivakumar. The Enforcement Directorate had filed a charge sheet last week against Shivakumar and others in the money laundering case. Now, today, Special Judge Vikas Dhull has taken cognizance of the same, and he has summoned DK Shivakumar on the next date, which is the 1st of July. Let's not forget that the ED had arrested Shivakumar on November the 3rd, 2019, and he's out on bail after Delhi High Court granted him the same in October 2019. Of course, this case was registered by the ED on the basis of a complaint filed by the Income Tax Department, and during the initial probe, the IT department had found alleged unaccounted and misreported wealth linked to the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President. So yes, definitely trouble mounting as far as this case is concerned. As far as the department here is concerned, in 2017, a recovery of about 10 crore rupees was made, including a 2.5 crore rupees from his Bangalore property. So yes, as far as this case goes, definitely probe is still on. The trial, in fact, will start after the due process is completed. Now that cognizance has been taken, Shivakumar will have to face trial. And on the 1st of July, the process in court will continue when Shivakumar is brought before Judge Vikas Dhull.
Nilashish, DK Shivakumar's argument, on the other hand, is as to why did it take so long for the court to come out with this kind of a directive, because the Enforcement Directorate charge sheet was filed on Thursday. He says this should normally be done within 60 days of his arrest.
Well, yes, absolutely. The charge sheet has taken a while to be filed. Of course, what the Enforcement says is that there was a money trail. There are a number of evidences that needs to be put together, and thereafter only a concrete case can be made against him. Of course, the charge sheet in this case, which has been going on for a while now, as we were discussing, he was arrested in 2019 and was given bail at that point as well. But it's been about 3 years now, and thereafter the charge sheet has been filed. So, of course, these will be questions that he will raise, especially when he's given a copy of the charge sheet. The summoning for the next date is primarily to do with him for him to say whether he has any objections with regard to charges, what he contests, what he does not contest. And in that light, the hearing on
he was arrested by ED in September 2019, and this on the basis of the case that was formed, or rather being worked upon by the Income Tax Department. So let's see how this plays out, but trouble certainly mounting for the Congress leader. Thank you, Nilashish, for that.